In this video, I'll teach you how to buy an insurance online. First, you go to shop.fwd.com.ph, and then you can choose one Kanduu plan you want to purchase. So there's CanMed, CanLive, and CanGuard. So CanMed is for medical treatment. It's support for medical treatment, and it's 1,799. And then you have CanLive, which is like a life insurance. So it's also 1,799 per year. And the last one is CanGuard, which is an accident insurance. So again, it's 1,799 and the coverage is 500,000 cash benefit. So those are the differences of the three ConGuard plans. And in order to get one, you need to have a credit card or debit card. So I'll show you how to actually purchase the insurance online. So I'm trying to buy the um ConGuard, which is the accident insurance. So I'm gonna put in my details. Yeah, I just put in my details. I just cut it, and then you need to have a valid ID, a copy of your valid ID, which you need to upload. I got an SSS card, so that's what I uploaded, and you can just click the declarations. Yeah, that you are not working at some, yeah, just read it there. It's there, and click the um, completed application button, and then read the data privacy declaration. And once you read it, you can click that. Then you can now proceed to paying your insurance plan. Again, I got the CanGuard because I travel a lot. So it gives me like a peace of mind. Whatever happens, I'm insured. So again, that's 1,799 and I'm paying by credit card. So there. After like few minutes, it's now ready. Yeah, I've got the insurance already. I'm insured.